Your storm station forecast with Chief Meteorologist Josh Eaches.
Baton Rouge area running 85 degrees right now. We do see a mix of sun and clouds over downtown. Darker skies to the north and west where there's still a storm out there at this hour, but some more dry spots than what we've experienced the last few days. We're beginning our transition to a slightly less active pattern heading into the weekend, but still contending with a few boomers out there on the way home from work on this Friday afternoon. Notice coming inbound toward the city from Livingston Parish and beyond along I-12. Not too bad. You hit Capital area, also fairly dry. It's heading west toward Lafayette across the Atchafalaya Basin. Then we have a heavier thunderstorm now just to the south of Maringouin. Also seeing some moderate rain just to the west of Zachary and closer to the northern edges of West Baton Rouge Parish, knocking on new roads here as it drifts off to the west. Gardier with some light rain. Plaquemine, a moderate shower is flying. The culprit continues to be a weakening front draped across parts of Louisiana and Mississippi, in addition to a lot of tropical moisture in the atmosphere. Talked about this yesterday, but we do see an area of low pressure trying to get its act together. It's just a broad area of low pressure in the northern Gulf of Mexico that the National Hurricane Center is now, in fact, highlighting at least a minimal chance for some development. Remember I said yesterday, we might see one of those little yellow X's appear on the map, but it should not be of any concern to us and does not change our local forecast. This feature is going to be drifting to the southwest and toward Texas over the next couple of days, and even at that, it doesn't look like it even has great opportunity to become a depression or storm. But we do see that circulation setting up with showers moving from southwest to northeast across the Gulf and then northeast to southwest farther inland here. So there is something trying to organize there in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Certainly plenty of warm water to support it, but the upper levels aren't quite as cooperative. Here's a look at the satellite and radar picture. Once again, we see today's crop of showers and thunderstorms kind of spinning through the area from east to west, likely peaking in coverage now. We should start to see a downturn as we head into the next 2 or 3 hours. So that weak front really just a tease, and there's not much of a change in air mass even on the northern side of it in terms of cooler temperatures or humidity. It's August after all. Tomorrow, with that front still hanging around and that disturbance in the northern Gulf flings enough moisture inland that we get another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms. We likely see a difference tomorrow with more activity closer to the coast and a little less farther inland. And the day where we notice the big difference, that's Sunday. We're actually going to see some drier air fill into the atmosphere. We're not going to fill that down at the surface, but over our heads, drier air resulting in not as many showers and thunderstorms. And really, the farther south and west you are of Baton Rouge on Sunday, the better chance of finding one of those popping up. Here's a look at that change in moisture. Notice how we're toward the top of the scale here right now, and we continue to be pretty elevated with tropical moisture in place through tomorrow. But notice how that color changes for the lighter as we move into Sunday, and especially on Monday, which is why I have an opportunity to eke out a couple of drier, not totally dry, but drier days around our 13 parishes and 3 counties. For tonight, partly cloudy and 73 degrees. Tomorrow, we're going to get that high into the 90s likely with scattered showers and storms holding off the afternoon hours for most. There's that 7-day forecast. Not as busy on radar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, tempted to take down the rain coverage a little bit there as well. But that tropical moisture comes back for the middle and end of next week, and we could be in for another active stretch, 3 or 4 days with some localized flooding once again.